Hey, and welcome back to my channel. I'm Beth and I am the owner of the Pets Paws, a handmade dog accessory shop. We hand make accessories such as bow ties, bandanas and also dog collars. If you want to check out what we stock, then check the link below. We also stock Biothane dog collars, and that is what this video is about today. So we're going to be showing you how to clean a Biothane dog collar. So if your dog is anything like mine, she manages to find mud anywhere, even on the driest of days. She manages to find mud and get caked in it. That is why a Biothane dog collar is brilliant for dogs like Luna. Biothane is a great alternative to leather for dog collars. It is waterproof, it's durable, it's odor resistant, it comes in a range of colours, it's vegan, and it is so super easy to clean, which is what this video is about today. All you need is your dog's very dirty dog collar and some baby wipes. So as you can see, Luna has made a very good job of this collar. It is very dirty. So get your baby wipe. That is all you need, some baby wipes, and just rub clean. So you can already see that this, it's already coming off, and look at the dirt that is on there. So this is how easy it is to clean. So there you have it, guys. Give the video a thumbs up if you found this really helpful, and comment down below if you enjoyed today's video and you want more, or you want to see more dog related videos, then subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.